Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will going to visit an overflowing toilet from the water. This first thing first, you must to use hand to turn the flow through screw and adjust the water head. Second one is screw and remove the overflow protector and detach the rubber seal. If the rope is stuck, use plier to loosen it. Press your finger or use a tool to rub the water in the hole and stop the water from flowing out. After that, screw the new float into place and attach the new rubber seal. Align the float with the end of the new fluid and secure it with a clip-out screw. Use plier if necessary to ensure a tight fit. Screw the fluid securely and adjust it to prevent the water level from overflowing. And the last one is check the water flow to ensure the tank fills correctly without any overflow. Ensure the flow moves freely. Sometimes the flow may get stuck or curve or something causing overflow. Make sure it moves smoothly. Adjust the water level properly. Correct adjustment will prevent water from overflowing into the pump tub. Check the rubber seal. A worn or damaged rubber seal can lead to leaks and overflow. Ensure it's in good condition and replace it with. Tighten the flow root screw. Make sure the screw is firmly secured but not too tight so the float can move freely. Inspect the water interval. A faulty or dirty interval may cause excessive water flow. Clean or replace it if